Ditch the tiny plastic and join the future. We're unlocking the simplicity of Esim with Mint Mobile. First, make sure you've already purchased an Esim plan from Mint Mobile through their website or app. You'll need an active Mint Mobile account for this to work, so log in. Once logged in, navigate to your account dashboard. Look for a section related to activate your plan or Esim activation. It's usually pretty prominent. Tap that Activate Esim button. This kicks off the digital SIM setup. You might be prompted to confirm your identity. This is a security measure, so follow the on-screen instructions. Now, the magic happens. The app will generate a QR code. You'll need to scan this with your phone's camera or Settings app on most iPhones. Go to Settings, then Cellular, and select Add Esim on Android. The pathway might be Settings, then Connections, then SIM Card Manager. And finally, add Esim. The exact wording can vary slightly based on your device. Follow your phone's prompts to scan the QR code. Your phone will then begin downloading the Esim profile from Mint Mobile. This might take a few minutes, so be patient. Once the Esim profile is downloaded, your phone will ask you to choose a label for your new Mint Mobile line. You can call it Mint Mobile, Personal, or whatever makes sense to you. You'll also need to decide whether to use the Mint Mobile line for data, calls, and texts. Select your preferences, and that's it. Your Mint Mobile Esim is now active. You may need to restart your phone for everything to fully register on the network. Test it out by making a call or sending a text. Enjoy your newfound freedom from physical SIM cards with Mint Mobile. Like and subscribe for more tech tips.